What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Cody's RV Thrills. Today, we're taking a look at a 2026 Forest River FSX, and the model on this one is a brand new one. It's the 135 Ice, and get this, it's only about 2,500 pounds, and it's 16 feet long even. This is a super cool small camper that you can pull with an SUV because of how small it is. But it's got an east to west bed in the front with a little TV right here and the proper hookups and everything. Yeah, your cable hookup is behind here if you wanted to know where that was. I wanted to know where that was too because I just saw the GFI right there. But under the bed, there's some storage, which is pretty cool. Oh shoot, prop blanket's in the way of closing that. There we go. But there's a shelf up above that kind of wraps around a little bit, which is pretty neat. There's some lights on it too. Over in the kitchen area, you have a Suburban 2-burner range on here with some countertop space and a sink. But underneath, you've got some storage here and storage and plumbing access. So, like, honestly, that's a really big area of storage. Also, you get a little motion sense light right there, which is pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. So there's a GFI plug up here too. There's also some storage as well up above. Super cool. Over here, you have a little 2-person dinette. It's super cute. I really like that. Also, there's a floating shelf up here with a pretty big window for a view of your campsite. Also, there's a mini fridge. Super nice. Also, just obviously this RV has no slides, but I just wanted to point that out in case you didn't know that. Also, here's your circuit breaker area. So you can replace your circuits, access your breakers and everything from right here below the fridge. Also, your LP detector is down here as well. You get a GFI plug and some storage above that mini fridge. Also in the bathroom, there's a little door here with a little tie down, a toilet, and shower is right here. I'm about 5'2". I've got plenty of room up here. There's even a little max air fan as well on a vent. So if you want to vent out the bathroom, you could. The sink, there's only one sink in this RV, so the bathroom and kitchen would have to share one, but that's all right because this is like more of a couple's coach, or else if you're single camping, you can. But if you guys want more details about this RV, please visit thrillsrv.com. You guys had a great day. See you in the next video. Happy camping. Bye.